Hey guys, I'm going to show how to change the color of the expand and collapse icons of RadGrid. The trick is pretty simple. Just right click and choose Inspect. Here we see the span element holding the font icon. Of course, we have set initially the render mode of the grid to be lightweight. In that mode, it uses font icons. So we have the RG collapse icon class. When it's collapsed, we have the RG expand icon class. So we should create such selectors on our page with the grid, like this. And from the color property, we can change the color to the desired one. Refresh, and now we have red for the expanded state and blue for the collapsed state. If we change it to white, both icons will be white. Here we go. Thank you.